my loves. If you would like to see what I think of the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, then please just keep watching. Okay, y'all have to excuse my hair. It's probably going to look like this in a couple of videos because I'm doing an Olaplex treatment and I'm going to leave it like this all day if I can take it. Alright, so we are going to try the Born to Run palette. Of all the releases in the last couple of months for eyeshadows, I think I was most excited about this one. This just looks like something that I will use every day of my life. So when it came in the mail, I was just like, ah! I wanted to play in it so bad, but it was towards the end of the day. I had all my makeup on, and then yesterday was not a good day for me. My depression was in overdrive. Okay, so let's play. Look at this beauty. I don't even know where to start. When I first sat down to do this, I wanted a very dramatic look. I was like, I just want to go all out. But then I was like, girl, your hair's in a wet bun. Like, so this, okay, so let's talk about this compared to the Jeffree Star. Remember when I used that apricot shade from the Jeffree Star palette as my transition shade and I had to keep dipping and dipping? This is what I wanted it to be. Just, you know, it doesn't have to be extreme, but I still want it to pack a little bit of a punch. By the way, the color that I'm using is called Still Shot. Next, let's go in with, let's do Baja, which is like a terracotta orange. Oh, come to mama. So there's going to be a few changes on my channel, I think. I am changing my job. So now I work from home. It's a 40-hour-a-week work week, but I'm very flexible in the 8 hours a day that I work, which makes it very easy and convenient for me to film my videos. But I'm getting ready to go to a location and work, which I am just incredibly excited. Just so excited. This is something that I've really wanted to do for a while. So we're going to go in As Good as Gone. But now my 40 plus hours a week will be at a location, which is, you know, the way most people live their lives. But that's going to make it a little harder for me to get in 5 videos a week. So I thought I would do a schedule. I think it would be very reasonable for me to do 3 videos a week. You hear that truck that just drove by? I think it would be very reasonable for me to do 3 videos a week. So we're going to say that my upload schedule going forward will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if I'm able to, because y'all, I'm always that girl that's running late in the mornings, you know what I mean? Like, huh, it's going to be an adjustment for me. But if I'm able to, I'll do bonus videos. So if I'm able to upload on a Thursday or a Friday, or Saturday and Sunday, we'll just call it a bonus video and go on with our day. But I just want, I think it's important to my subscribers to say, I will upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My daughter and I were at my mom's yesterday, and I sought out this position. I wanted it for various reasons, but I really, really wanted this position. And I got the position, but they could not offer me the pay that I wanted. But to me, the position was worth losing a little bit of money. So my mom was telling my daughter yesterday that this was a valuable life lesson for her. That choosing a career in life that you're happy with is more important than your paycheck. So there's definitely going to have to be some adjustments made in the house. You know, I'm not going to be here to always cook dinner. I'm not going to be here to always keep the house clean. Little bit of a pay issue. So definitely some adjustments, but I feel so happy and so good about this. So I'm excited. I'm very excited. All right, let's see if we can find a clean brush. Let's use this BH Cosmetics. By the way, I was using the NYX Glitter Primer. I always lay that down when I do any type of glitter shade, shimmer shade, what have you. This BH Cosmetics thing is the bomb. Alright, what color do we want to do on our eyes? Let's start with Big Sky and put that kind of on the inner corner. Y'all, that's too freaking pretty. Okay, and in the center, we're going to go in with Radio, which is a little bit more of a darker blue. And just kind of blend those together so that there's no harsh line. Alright, I want to add just a touch of black. It's called Jet. Not a lot, but just a little on the corners. Just to define that a little bit more. And with my tried and true NYX, what's it called? Diamond Lust. Y'all would think I would remember that by now. Alright. I love this. Love it. I'm going to go do my face. I have three eyeliner pencils. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use. I have the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in DTLA. I don't know what that spells. And then I have two Marc Jacobs. I think this one is too blue, and that's not really the look I want to go for. So then I have these two. So I'm going to use the ColourPop on my upper lash line. I need a mirror that I can get closer up with. I'm also going to put this on the bottom waterline. My lid fell to this. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs in Plumage, and I'm going to sort of smoke out the lash line. Now we're going to take this eyeshadow color called Guilt Trip and go over that liner. And that's just, that liner is just going to make this a little more intense. And we're going to go in with a little bit of that Still Shot that we used to transition and just blow that purple out just a little bit. Absolutely fan-freaking-tastic. Gorgeous! Alright, I'm going to go finish my face, put some mascara on, and meet you back here for my final thoughts on this beauty. Okay, let's talk about this palette. First of all, this eye look, I love it. Love it. Love it. I can only imagine what this would look like with some winged liner and some lashes, because I love it without liner and lashes. So, you know, liner and lashes make everything better. Let's talk about the packaging. This is a pretty sturdy packaging. This is made out of some sort of plastic, but it's very heavy. It's definitely not flimsy. It's extremely durable. I love the way the cover is, because this is not going to get dirty and crusty and nasty like some of my eyeshadow palettes do. Alright, now let's get into the and we have a very good size mirror. Try not to blind you guys, but Urban Decay did that with that mirror. Now let's talk about the formula. I used on my eyes today Still Shot, Baja, Good Is Gone, Big Sky, Wanderlust, and Guilt Trip, and then just a little bit of Jet. So I used several of the colors in this palette today. This palette, I've said this about palettes before, but this time it's different. It's just different. This is everything I have ever wanted in a palette. I am not exaggerating when I tell you guys I could go throw every single eyeshadow palette I own out the window and just keep this one. That is how much I love this palette. Urban Decay, you did it. You did it. This palette's perfect. Okay, so we've got a peach shade that can brighten it up for summer. These colors here can be summer or fall, or we can transition it into the winter. We've got purples, we've got blues, we've got greens. We have a good brown. We have a good black. We have a good array of both shimmer and matte. There are so many things that you can do with this palette. Today, I feel like I used some of the bold colors with the Big Sky and I didn't use Wonderlust, I used Radio. I used bold colors, but what I love about this palette is the colors are, it's colorful and it's bold, but it's not so dramatic that you couldn't wear this every day, right? You could wear this to work, you could wear this to the PTA meeting, or you could intensify it and you could wear it out on a Friday night. I just think they nailed it with the pigmentation, the blendability, the color selection. I cannot rave enough about this palette. This is the formula that I wish the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette was in terms of blendability. It's just, the bitch is perfect. It is perfect. And that's really all I have to say about that. I love my eye look today. I love it. And you know, when I did that Jeffree Star Thirsty look, I just wasn't confident about it. I wasn't sure about it. So many people told me it looked good, and I appreciate it. And that did build my confidence throughout the day. But when I walked out the door, I was just like, you know what I mean? And a good makeup day can make you go, how you doing? And that's what this does. I feel good about my look today. All right, my loves. Until next time.